Hey everyone, just wanted to show you my first meal of the day after breaking my fast. I got me some pinto beans. They smoking good, y'all. I cooked them in my crock pot overnight. Have me some hot water cornbread. And I make my hot water with just scalding hot water, distilled water, right on top of my cornmeal. And then I fry it in oil. And it is so delicious. Then I have me some collard greens over here. Y'all, I cook my food myself. I'm old school. I cook my food from scratch. And I wanted to make you aware of the size of my my eating bowls, because your stomach is the size of your fist. That means you should not be overeating. Don't overwork your body. Give your body food to sustain life and to be nourished, and call it a day. I'll be dipping my cornbread into my hot water cornbread into my beans. I love that. Tastes so good. And I'm just going to nourish and enjoy my food. It is like 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's the first meal of the day. And I just feel like I just need to nourish my body. And I prepare food for the whole week so that I don't have to keep making a whole lot of meals. You know, you can freeze some of your food and just heat it up. Also, too, when I was growing up, my parents, they fed us well. They nourished us. We didn't grow up eating foods out of fast foods. We ate food out of our garden, and foods to sustain our health and our life. My mother gave me Flintstone vitamins to make sure that my body would stay nice and strong and have the essential nutrients to repair and heal itself. And then when I was in nursing school, when I was exhausted, my mother sent me vitamins and minerals to help sustain my strength and keep me strong getting through nursing school. So I just want to let you guys know, you know, I was raised to be health conscious and to take care of my body. This is Lois Banks coming to you from the Lois Banks Ministry. Looks like I'll be cooking Thanksgiving dinner this year. I will be, of course, purchasing all my food straight out of Whole Foods. I don't put toxic poisons in my body. And I cook from scratch. So I'll be making some homemade dinner rolls, candy yams, greens. I'll have some cranberry sauce. I mean, everything will be from scratch. Stuffing. My meals will be from scratch, and we will enjoy ourselves and have a great time. This is Lois Banks coming to you from the Lois Banks Ministry. God bless you.